Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. First off, Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, grandmothers, and aunts out there. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses Central Texas. Cities in today's enhanced include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Garland, Texas, and Irving, Texas. There's a slate today covering parts of Texas, southeast Oklahoma, southern half of Arkansas, northern Louisiana, and west central Mississippi. Cities in today's slate include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Plano, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, and Little Rock, Arkansas. There are two dark green areas for today. The dark green areas where we have marginals for today. Alright, the dark green areas are the marginals. Cities in today's marginals include Houston, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Memphis, Tennessee, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Corpus Christi, Texas. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses Central Texas. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. Going to the wind for today, there is a 30% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses Central Texas. Cities in the 30% wind risk area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Garland, Texas, and Irving, Texas. There is a 15% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, covering parts of Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, southern half of Arkansas, northern Louisiana, and west central Mississippi. The 15% wind risk area today includes San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Plano, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, and Little Rock, Arkansas. There are two brown areas for today. The brown areas you already have a 5% wind risk for today. The 5% wind risk areas today include Houston, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Memphis, Tennessee, Corpus Christi, Texas, and Laredo, Texas. So now, if you look at black dashed area, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or stronger from thunderstorms today. Alright? The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour today from thunderstorms. Alright? I'm not saying there can't be hurricane force gusts outside the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for the hurricane force thunderstorm wind gusts will be within the black dashed area. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly looking at thunderstorm wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour. But again, there could be hurricane force gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour even outside the black dashed area. But again, the black dashed area is the highest potential for the hurricane force wind gusts from thunderstorms today. Yeah. And by the way, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the wind intensity index. Cities in the black dashed area today include Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, and Plano, Texas. Now for the hail threat for today, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses Central Texas. Cities in the 30% hail risk area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Garland, Texas, and Irving, Texas. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering parts of Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, southern half of Arkansas, northern Louisiana, and west central Mississippi. The 15% hail risk area today includes Plano, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, Waco, Texas, and Killeen, Texas. There are 2 brown areas for today. The brown areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today in the brown areas. The 5% hail risk areas today include San Antonio, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Austin, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for the 2-inch hail or larger today within the black dashed area. Alright? I'm not saying there can't be 2-inch hail outside the black dashed area. I'm not saying there can't be 2-inch hail or larger outside the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for the 2-inch hail or larger will be within the black dashed area. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter hail today. Okay? But again, the highest potential for the 2-inch hail is within the black dashed area. But again, I can't rule out that an area outside the black dashed area could still get 2-inch hail. That's still possible, even though it's outside the black dashed area. But again, the black dashed area is the highest potential for the 2-inch hail or larger. Cities in the black dashed area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. So, in summary, large hail, some in excess of 2 inches in diameter, and severe wind gusts, potentially in excess of 75 miles per hour, will be possible this afternoon and evening across parts of Central and North Texas. More sporadic occurrences of damage and wind and large hail are possible farther east into the lower Mississippi Valley, portions of the Florida Peninsula, and central New Mexico into far west Texas. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. No matter what risk you're in, alright? Stay safe today no matter what risk you're in, okay? And I'll have my day 2 severe weather outlook at some point later today. It's just my day 2 can be delayed due to Mother's Day. My day 2 severe weather outlook will be delayed since I have people coming over for Mother's Day today. So once they head home, I'll do my day 2. Okay? So stay safe today, and I know people have plans for Mother's Day. Have a plan in place to seek shelter. Review your emergency severe weather plans with your family and relatives and friends. You know, to be prepared to take shelter at some point. So, stay safe today, and I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook later today. Take care.